Hi friends, I'm very happy to show you our combustion testing chamber, and the volume for this one is around 225 liters. We come to see the monitoring display. Because we have the camera monitoring inside of chamber, so we can see the testing condition from here. And this is the Siemens controller. We can see here the burning runtime and the burning time setting. The language selection, the fire extinguishing, the lighting, the exhaust smoke, then stop button and start button. This is the power indicator button, the power, the monitor indicator, e-stop button for any urgent case, the USB connection, and this is the observation window. And this is our explosion-proof chain. We open the door, we can see the inside of the chamber. And for that is the pressure relief port, the CO2 fire extinguishing system, and the smoke exhaust system, the nitrogen port, and the smoke sensor. And this is the two cable port, and the camera monitoring. And we can see from here, when we're doing the testing, we put our sample, our battery, to put the center of the metal mesh screen. We put the battery here, and we use the cover and also the octagonal mesh screen to cover the battery, and put this on here, this cover here, and the battery is inside of the center of the platform. We're doing the testing like this. And this is the nitrogen port, the Ethernet connection, and our CO2 fire extinguishing. Our circuit part, we can see the components are from famous brands, Siemens and Schneider. Okay, this is the briefly introduction for our combustion testing chamber. If you have any tester requests for your batteries, just contact with us. Thank you. Bye-bye.